Hello dear friends, subscribers and guests of my channel. In this video I want to show and tell you how to change the time on your iPhone. Please put your like, subscribe to my channel and share this video with your friends. Let's get started. So, first you need to go to settings. After that you must scroll down a little and click general. After that click data and time, and after that click set automatically, and that's all. But if you don't have this button, you must do next action. You need to go back, go to screen time, scroll down and click content and privacy restrictions, and after that you must turn on this setting. And that's all. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please put your like, subscribe to my channel and share this video with your friends. Bye bye everyone.